Hi guys, today I'm gonna be teaching I Got a Feeling by the Black Eyed Peas. We need to know 3 chords for that song. So let's have a look at those chords. First one is a G. From there we have a C. Go to E minor. And then back to the C. And you play 8 times down on each one. 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And E minor. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to C. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can also do with power chords, which is finger 1, top string, fret number 3, and then second top string, fret number 5. Or you can use your finger 4 if you prefer, or finger 3. Then keep that same position, just go down to the second top string and the fourth string. And then for the E, we go top string open, and then finger 1 on the second fret, 5th string, and then back to the C here, which is fret 3 on the second top string and fret 5 on the 4th string. We say 4 times down again. That's a very easy and fun song to play, guys. So make sure you get your guitar and go practice.